Hi guys, welcome to another video. It's been a very long time since I last made one, but today I'm going to just let you watch basically. I'll talk through it, but I'm creating a Christmas activity book, and here's some of the pages. As you can see, this is copy and draw, so I've done some different ideas. I'm going to show you how to do these as well, yeah. So this one here is simple 9 grid like box basically, and you've got to draw what they see in each of these boxes, yeah. So on this one there's only a little bit in there, like that there's most, yeah. And then this one, at the back of the book, there's going to be some cut out stick thing, so it's like an extra activity for them. So they've got to, before they can draw that, yeah, I mean they can draw that black and white if they want, but just black if they want that. The fun part is they go to the back of the book, they cut it out, they stick it there, and then they can see what they can draw there. So it's an extra activity, yeah. Then on the next one, pretty much similar. So they've already got the coloured version there, and then they just have to draw the rest of it, yeah. So they can see what it looks like there, so they can draw it, yeah. A bit like that one, but this one they've already got half of it drew from. And again, another cut out and paste. So they've got to go to the back, cut it out, stick it there, so then they can see what it looks like on this side, yeah, more, and then it'll show the colour, yeah, so then they can colour it in. You don't have to use the exact same colours, but it just gives them that little bit extra. So as you can see, this one's got like 9 boxes, and it's like you've got to draw it all. This one I've made it a little bit easier. I've only got 2 boxes, yeah, and after it's already drawn from. So let's go and have a look at how I've made these, yeah. I'm over on a software called Puzzle Publishers, and we're going to use a Finished Image Pro, yeah, and we're also going to use the Simply Cut Out Crazy Pro. So we're going to use 2 fonts, so you just click on it, yeah, then it will load up. These are simple. This is a suite of 12 different apps you can use within this program, right? It's also got AI and all that, guys, but we'll go into that in another video. So pretty much simple, upload your video. So I'm just going to go into the back end of mine. So let me just, characters, let's just choose a coloured character for now, yeah. One looks pretty easy for to draw. These are all the I bought earlier, guys. Let's choose this fella here. So let me just move my picture out of the way. I'll put them over here, yeah. Yeah, so open that. And then we zoom out. Yeah, so we get it so it's in the boxes, won't it? Yeah, you can play around with this. So you can either have the 4 boxes, yeah, or you can change these. So if you look at here, you can have it 3. Yeah, you play around with it, make it a bit easier for each. Yeah, see if we can make it 4. I don't know if that'll make it 2. Yeah, I suppose we could. Yeah, we'll make it 4x4 because we've not done that one out here. So what you do then, guys, if you want to, you can hide the grid if you don't want to do that, but we'll keep it on. The block colours you can change. So if you want to hide some of it, you just click the boxes. If you don't want to hide them, right? You can also collect the background. So the background's already white. Yeah, but if you're going to upload it to Canva anyway, the background's going to be white. Yeah, so you can either keep these as they are. I like to keep them as they are. Yeah, and then if you do want to like hide some of it, just click on them again. Right, so all you do then, guys, is download that PDF or that. So I'll download that. Then what I'll do, or you can hide some. So no, then what I do, guys, is oh yeah, reset it. New puzzle, right? But then we've got these 4x4 boxes, so we just make the background that, download that like that, yeah. So then we've got this one, but with the 4x4, and then we've got the 4x4 blank, guys, yeah. Now what I'll do, I'm just going to go over to the cut and paste, and we'll quickly do that one, yeah. So let's go over back to pull pulses, yeah. We'll come, no, while we're here, we'll quickly do the other one where we pick another. Do that one, yeah. I like that. I like snow globes. Shrink it a bit. Yeah. So as you can see, we've got 4x4. We'll keep this as it is. So we'll download that. Yeah. We'll cover half of them. Download that. Now, if you see, is that the one we downloaded? No, not. So this is a coloured version, right? But I'm just going to show you this. That, yeah. So then what we do here then, come out of that. Yeah, we've already got the 4x4, so come out of that. Let's go back to Pro Software. Let's go to the sneaky cutout crazy. Load, do its thing. Let's load an image. Let's go to. Is it this one? This one we use? Oh, this guy, yeah. So let's open it up. And as you see, it already automatically puts something around it. So if you want the padding to go down, yeah, refresh it there. So put it even lower there. And then you play around with this, guys. I'll show you some more cool stuff with it. Yeah. So you can have a solid line. You can have a dot line. Refresh it. Look, you've got your dots. You've got your dash. Refresh it. Right. You can also change the colour of this. So if you want red, there you go. Yeah. If you want white, it might be on a black background. Blue, as you can see, you can change the solid line. Yeah. But what we'll do, we'll keep it as black, keep it as a dash. I like the dash, it looks more like you can put a pair of scissors, it looks like it's sitting. Yeah. But then you can also fill it. So what we're going to do is black. Yeah. Upload it. Put dash. Don't suppose we need it. Yeah, we don't really need a line for this. So what you do here, guys, right? So get rid of the image. What does your cutout paste? So then all you do then, download PNG. There it is. Right. Let's image visible. Right. We'll make this a bit smaller, the padding, yes, because we don't want loads of. Yeah. Now what we'll do is download it. That is how simple it is, guys. Yeah. That is how simple it is. Then you come over to Canva. Just create a new page, yeah, quickly do it. Let's go to our uploads, let's upload the files, what we're trying to do, back to my downloads. As you can see, they're all here. Done. Right. Simple, isn't it, guys? Dead easy, you could do loads of good books with this. Right, so make this smaller. That, let's put that one on. Right, put that one on. We're the exact same size, so I'm just going to go over it like that. Move it up like that. There you go. So there you go, guys. There's the first one. That's you've got to copy that onto that. Then we could do this one where just doing this quickly just so you can see it. But as you can see, they've got. Let's just do something. Right, so make these smaller. Try to pick 3 on the same page, guys. That's all. Yeah. Right. So look, we've got that to that, that to that. Yeah. And then we've also got the this one here. So what we need is we need that there, don't we? So we'll have that there. Yeah. And then put that. Above it. But what I do here, guys, I'll just. Oh no, just do it in here like that. That's all you need to do is. There you go, so it fits in there, right? But we need that. That come over here. That there. Then at the back, we will have that. Oh, minute. That's just, yeah. So we make it the same size. So then it. Yeah. So you play around with it until you get it spot on, pretty much there and that, right? And you put that at the back. There's your cutout. So they've got an extra activity at the back, they cut that out, they stick it there. Then once it's stuck there, they can draw it. Yeah? And like, you could basically, let's go back. What we could have done, guys, let's go back onto this one, finish the image. Let's yeah, so let's go into these stupid things in the way again, guys. Just rushing this, isn't that? Characters. Could have the black and white, but do the colouring. Yeah, let's quickly do the colouring because I didn't show that about. So yeah, I've got the black and white version. So let's have a look at it. There it is. So let's do that away again. So then this needs to be smaller. It's a 4x4, isn't it, guys? So there's your 4x4. There it is. There you go. Oh no, we want the background on it. So background like that. Download. Let's come back to Canva. We will upload that there. No, don't know again, guys. Back here. So I'm just going to cover some of these. Do this side for it. Yeah. In fact, let's make it fun. We'll have like that, yes. You can make it. You can play around with this, guys. So I'm going to do that. I'll upload that to Canva, and then instead of this one, guys, delete. Let's have this fun one where it's got some already. Look, guys, and then there you go. So you've got your full image, and you've got to draw it fully. You've got this where they've got half of it. You've got this where they've got to cut it out first, and then they'll see the full image, but then they've got to fill out these boxes, guys. So instead of just having half or full, it's some cool bits, guys. Yeah, and then you've got your cut and paste. And that is it for today's video, guys. If you've got any questions, please let us know. And yeah, guys, check out the other videos, and check out the link for this if you're interested in this. This is a top tool, guys. I love it. Yeah. Let's give you a quick rundown of some of the software, what's inside it before you go if you want. So you've got like Robot Crazy. I don't really use that, but you can build different robots using different parts. You might find a way for that, I don't know. You've got Create Man Pro where you can use different like your own different items, where you can build like your own blocks and that. You've got your Word Search Crazy Pro, which is pretty good. You've got your Simply Cutout just showing that. Print it, cut it, solve it. Yeah, that's good. Finish the image. Crazy Stretcher Pro, Dr. Crazy. If you want to see some of these guys, I will let us know and I will do some videos. Look, you've got your Mandala Crazy Pro, you've got your Simple Maze Crazy, that's good. You can use different images with this, upload your image, and then it'll create the maze inside of it, guys. Let's see if I've got one. Yeah. So here, look, I did a gingerbread man. I uploaded a gingerbread man, and I've made a maze. You can make this complicated, or you can make it easy. I've just made it like this for now. So yeah, guys, if you want to see any videos of any of these, let us know, guys. And that's it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.